Good afternoon. I'm with the Los Angeles Fire Department. We're here at the Emergency Operations Center with some information for our fellow Angelinos. My name is Captain Jennifer Wilcox. My pronouns are she, her. I am a Caucasian female wearing a black shirt uniform with eyewear and a black hat. The City of Los Angeles continues to aggressively respond to the Palisades fire and Hearst fire amid the dangerous ongoing windstorm and extreme weather conditions impacting the Los Angeles region. Helicopters are again dropping water from the air, and hundreds of firefighters are continuing to be on scene and to help respond to fire emergencies. LAPD and city traffic officers continue to deploy hundreds of increased staff to assist with traffic gridlock, evacuations, and additional support. The city has shelter and resources available for impacted families and the residents. City officials urge residents to continue to heed warnings, stay safe, and stay prepared during this ongoing wind event. Angelinos can sign up for emergency alerts at notifyla.org. The LAFD and its partnering agencies have several public safety resources deployed to ensure the utmost safety to its citizens and visitors of Los Angeles. We ask that you stay ready and vigilant by monitoring local news outlets and LAFD information resources regarding the Palisades and Hearst fire. LAFD asks that you keep a go bag ready that has a minimum of medications, a change of clothes, personal documents, and identification. Please follow LAFD on Facebook, Instagram, or X for up-to-date information. For evacuation locations, visit fire.ca.gov/incidents. Regarding a boil water notice that came out under DWP, the LADWP service area Pacific Palisades, and is only relevant to zip codes 9072. Again, it is only relevant to the zip code 90272. This is only for the Palisades area under that zip code. This is not a citywide boil water alert. Adjacent communities north of San Vicente Boulevard, more information can be found on www.ladwpnews.com. Please visit notifyla.org and sign up to receive up-to-date alerts. Thank you. Stay safe.